All right, let's make some bison ragu. We came up with something that's like a real true meat sauce that's absolutely delicious. Nothing holds a candle to this. When you think about the carrot, onion, and celery, what I like to call the holy trinity, what you need to make sure you have is twice as much onion as you have carrot and celery. So these weights should be the same, 13 ounces. So that means that the carrots and the celery together should be around 13 ounces, and we're at like 12. Split them into either halves or thirds. 2 flat sides, half again, half again. You just kind of come in with your knife. Now, a lot of people cut it this way. I find that it makes the whole thing fall apart. You already have the natural rings of the onions sort of doing that work for you. Onions coming in. Just waiting. Our onions are just starting to become translucent. I actually got bison. It's about the same amount of meat as onion. Don't look so constipated?
Consternated.
Consternated?
No, it's so kerfuffled.
Kerfuffled. Oh, it's gonna give complexity. Coming in with a cup of half and half. This could be whole milk. So now the idea is, this all simmers in the white wine and dairy and gets soft and amazing. And give it 1 hour. We got our water boiling. We are gonna add salt. You are then going to taste the water and make sure it tastes like something. Should have the salinity of a soup. Now, it smells so good. Oh. It can definitely use a little bit of salt. Oh boy. Fresh parm in here. Nothing holds a candle to this.